in this British Maths Olympiad question, we need to find the value of 1 to the power of 4 plus 2007 to the power of 4 plus 2008 to the power of 4, all divided by 1 squared plus 2007 squared plus 2008 squared. First things I notice with this expression is that as well as there being a very similar format, top and bottom, so the only thing that's changed is the powers, the numbers are also linked in that 2008 is the sum of the other numbers 1 and 2007. So we've got a bit of a pattern there. Let's deal with this with a bit of algebra just to make the manipulation a bit easier. So if we let x equal 2008, we can then rewrite this expression as 1 to the power of 4 plus x minus 1 to the power of 4 plus x to the 4 all over 1 squared plus x minus 1 squared plus x squared. If we now expand those brackets in the middle, x minus 1 to the power of 4, just by the binomial method, becomes x to the power of 4 minus 4 lots of x cubed times negative 1, so we've got minus 4x cubed, plus 6 times x squared times negative 1 squared, so 6x squared, and so on, minus 4x plus 1, and then we've still got that plus x to the 4 on the end. X minus 1, that squares to make x squared minus 2x plus 1. So on the bottom, we've got 1 squared plus x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus x squared. We don't need to leave those brackets in there. I've just put them in there for clarity. Now let's simplify top and bottom. 1 to the power of 4 and 1 squared are both equal to 1. So we can set that there and they'll add to those other ones. Like terms will come together. So that on the top, we've now got 2 times x to the power of 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 2, and that's all over 2x squared minus 2x plus 2. Well, all of those terms are even, the smallest of which are multiples of 2, so let's divide every term through by 2. So we've now got x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 all over x squared minus x plus 1. We've got an algebraic fraction now, so let's do some long division, see if we can simplify this. So we're going to divide our x squared minus x plus 1 into the x to the 4 minus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So to do this, we compare the first terms of each expression. So x squared will go into x to the 4 another x squared times. Now if we multiply the x squared minus x plus 1 through by this x squared, we get x to the 4 minus x cubed plus x squared, which we take away from our original expression, and that's going to leave us with minus x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 1. We'll repeat this again, where we can multiply negative x lots of our original into this. That would give us minus x cubed plus x squared minus x, which we take away. We've got a remainder of x squared minus x plus 1. Well, that goes into our original one time. So our answer is x squared minus x plus 1. We know that x is equal to 2008, that's what we set earlier. So now we know that our original expression is going to equal 2008 squared minus 2008 plus 1. We now need to solve this, which is a little bit tricky without a calculator, but certainly not impossible. If we think of 2008 squared as 2000 plus 8 all squared, we can then break the multiplication down a little bit. So we get 2000 squared is 4 million. We get 2 lots of 8 times 2000, so 2 lots of 16,000, plus the 8 squared of 64, and we've still got that minus 2008 and the plus 1 on the end. I'm now adding together the first two terms to give 4,032,000, while minus 2008 plus 64 and a 1 will leave us with minus 1,943. That's almost 2,000, and as we've got 2,000 on the end of our 4 million number, it makes it reasonably easy to take away, and we are left with 4,030,057, and that is our final answer. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Doing Maths channel, or check out some more of my videos by clicking on the links here.